Sometimes it really does matter. And this is one of those occasions. What are you talking about, Jeff? Workshop space. What were you thinking about, huh? Anyway, S of the innuendos, let's get on with this. This space here, this is my workbench, and you've all seen my workbench. And this is the space that I work in. That's it. That's it. And it's starting to get on my nerves. This is my space, and I fill it without even moving. And then I have my workbench. And you could say, Jeff, get yourself a smaller workbench. I can't do that. I spread myself around. I like to have 2 or 3 things on the go at the same time. The workbench is, for me, the most important tool in the shop. And I only stand in this side of the bench when I'm using my pillar drill. Never, ever, apart from that, I always work on the other side. So therefore, getting rid of this space, this unused space, is where I'll gain. I'm going to push this bench towards the wall, and all this space here I will gain on the other side. Abstract it sounds, but it's not complicated, Jeff. And this is the whole point of the thing. Sometimes the solution to a problem that's bugging you is staring you right in the face. Now, it's not as easy as just pushing the table. One, it weighs about 15,000 pounds and tons and kilos. So that's one thing. But that's nothing, no bit of brute force as one can't solve. Also, there's electrics attached to it. I've got plugs attached to it. I've got to disconnect them and start shoving. Sometimes some things are just too easily said. I've disconnected the electrics so the bench can move freely from them. All the wires have been taken off. I've taken away my table saw because that was connected to it, which you saw. And it's not moving. All this stuff that's on top here is the stuff that was in the cupboards on the other side that you can't see. But it's not adding any weight. It wasn't there before. And it's still not budging. It's that frigging heavy. You know, I'm not talking a little bit heavy, I'm talking frigging heavy. So the only way for me to do it is to clear that stuff off the top and disconnect this top surface. So the 2 parts, because it's actually in 2 parts. So the 2 parts are connected, and that way I can move them separately. That might save me a hernia. And I ain't joking. But I've started now, no room for regret. I've started, I have to finish it. Look at all this space. Feels like I've just come out of hibernation. It's spring lamb time.